Meet Tom and Kate. Tom and Kate recently met each other on an online dating site. After talking for some time, they are now trying to decide where to meet for the first date. They're both super excited, but having a tough time deciding where to meet in the middle. Unfortunately, Tom and Kate aren't familiar with the area they were planning on meeting at. Fortunately for them, there's Easy Meet. Easy Meet is an app that makes the meetup location decision process easy. Users simply sign up by logging into the app. Once logged in, all you need to do is enter your town or address and your date's town and hit the search button. Easy Meet will then give you a list of potential locations you can decide upon. Easy Meet's default settings will provide a list of potential meeting places where both parties travel an equal distance. However, one of the unique features of the app is that it allows you to change the percentage of distance traveled by either party. With a simple drag of a toolbar, you're able to change the percentage of distance traveled to get a list of potential meeting places. So what are you waiting for? Take the hassle out of deciding where to meet. Make the future of your online dating easier and more enjoyable. Download the Easy Meet app today.